Welcome to Economics. Uh, Now we are going to discuss about HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. HLOOKUP function in Excel is used to search for a value in the first row of a table and return a corresponding value from another row in the same table. HLOOKUP helps to find things in a table or range horizontally. The H in HLOOKUP stands for horizontal. Now let's look at HLOOKUP function. Equal HLOOKUP within brackets lookup value. Lookup value is the value you want to search for. Comma table array. Table arrange means the range of cells that contains the data. Then row index number. It is the row number in the table from which to retrieve the value. Then range lookup. Here you have two options, true or false. True for approximate match and false for exact match. Let's do one example regarding HLOOKUP function. Suppose you have the following data in range A1 to D2. In row A, you have items banana, apple, and berry. Second row, you have price of each item. Now the question is, you need to find the price of banana. Then you have to write HLOOKUP function for this equal HLOOKUP within bracket. You need to find the price of banana, then you have to write within bracket banana, or instead of that you can write B1. Okay. Then comma, you need to select the data range A1 to D2, comma, you need to write the row number which you need to search the value, then row number 2 here, then comma, you need to write here false because you want to find the exact value. Then you will get the answer 2. 2 is the price of banana. Let's do another example. Here you have company A, B, C, and D. Here you have share prices of each company from day 1 to day 20. Now from this table you need to find out the share prices of company A, B, C on day 5, day 10, and day 15 using HLOOKUP function. Here, as an example, the function is this HLOOKUP equal HLOOKUP within bracket you can put here for company A. Company A is in column number B1. Okay, B1, or instead of that you can use A, capital A within inverted commas. You can use this both one of these B1 or capital A within inverted commas. Then data ranges here A1 to E21. That is the data range. Then For company A, D5. D5 share, uh, you can price, you can find it here. Row number is D5, row number 11 to D5 is 6. Now, comma, you put false here because you want to match the exact value. Then enter, then you will get the value 12 here. Company A, D5 price, D5 value is 12 share price. You can do same thing, repeat same procedure for D10 and D15 also, and you can repeat same procedure for company B and company C also. You can check this in the attached sheet. With that, I conclude presentation here. Thank you, and I invite you to subscribe the channel for getting more videos on required knowledge on economic, trade and investment analysis. Thank you.